Hi everybody, this is Jazz, aka Trend Trader for you. So the reason why I'm looking at this chart is one of the members posted this chart in one of the groups, and before I analyze this chart, I needed to know how it looked like in the bigger time frame. Okay, and as you could see in here, it's not this picture is pretty pixelated, but you can the member was looking at this chart in daily, but I need to look at it in a weekly to see the whole perspective of this trend. So I requested this member to post that chart in a weekly time frame. So that's what this member posted. So now that I know that we are looking at a weekly chart, I know what the big trend is, right? You always want to look at the biggest picture, then drop your time frame down to the smaller time frames, right? So looking at this chart, what I'm seeing in here is you're looking at a nice downtrend, right? You're looking at some lower highs, okay? Lower high, and this one lower high. And if you look at this point, you had somewhat of a beginning of an uptrend, right? And you had a first time, this is where price actually made a higher low. As you could see previously, this was a lower low below this, right? This was a lower low below this. This was the first time price actually made a higher low above this. Okay, and also if you look at this closely, this is the first time price is actually making a higher high above this and attempting to make a higher high above this area. So now that you know that your weekly trend, let me erase that real quick, your weekly trend is no longer in a downtrend, okay? And it's very important to know your biggest time frame, where are you coming from. Once you know that, okay, once you know that, you change your perspective. You go into the daily then, okay? Again, this is not as beautiful picture, but now that you know that you have a higher low above this and possibly making another higher low, again you need a confirmation. Again, it's not a clear chart, but what we're seeing in here, this is where the price broke out of. You had a resistance, and price broke out of this resistance, right? And it attempted to go up. All what we're seeing right now is a pullback to the same area. Once we see that reversal, we might see possible move to the upside. So this is how you analyze a chart, not just by basically looking at, okay, what is going to happen on this chart. You need to look at the big time frame. You need to go down and see how does, if you're looking at a 60-minute chart, you need to go down, look what does the 4-hour chart doing, what is the daily chart doing. So this is where you decide what kind of style of trader you are, right? Are you a day trader? Are you a scalper? Are you a swing trader or long-term trader? So looking at different time frames, it's very, very important. So as far as this trend, another thing is that all these triangles and patterns and all that stuff, it'll come into sense, but don't just go by just because it's saying here that triangle pattern. Try to analyze the chart, try to see what the price action is telling you, then give your 2 cents into it, do some technical analysis into it, and try to determine if you can see that we have somewhat of a nice uptrend going on, right? Nice uptrend, probably a nice channel. So prices actually possibly could be testing in here for another move up, or price could break this channel and go down. And if it goes down, where is your support area, right? Is this your support area? Is this your support area? Or if the price goes up, where is your resistance area? Is this your resistance area? So you need to ask all these questions to yourself before you start even thinking about taking a trade. So hopefully that helps. Just 2 cents from me. And I am Jazz, the trend trader for you, and take care, guys.